it is observed that children are given, lot of dairy, thinking that it is rich in calcium, it is rich in protein, and maybe, that's going to be a food for growth. But that's really not the case. The problem is that we do not have the enzyme to digest milk. The data clearly says that there are risks associated with consumption of red processed meat. WHO has declared red processed meat as number one carcinogen, equal to smoking a cigarette. So the data is very clear that there is a risk of cancer if you start eating more meat. If you have studied the reports that type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, obesity, all these are part of metabolic syndrome X, is also associated with the consumption of meat products. So all these major lifestyle related diseases are now due to eating more and more meat in our diet. This is going to increase the burden on the society, on the medical community to manage all these diseases. The reason is very clear, that meat is containing certain products which are inflammatory, which are also not having any phytonutrients or antioxidants. It does not have any fiber. It has higher cholesterol. It has heme iron. The protein, although it has all the 9 essential amino acids, our body has to work double. It takes the protein, breaks it down into the amino acids, and then makes a new protein according to the human needs. So it's actually a waste of energy. The meat is also difficult to digest. So due to all these different reasons, it is very, very important that we now recognize that meat is not exactly a health food, but is giving us all these different diseases. Also, how meat is produced, it is going to also increase certain chemicals in our body. These are called as heterocyclic amines. Also, in the gut, there are certain chemicals that are produced which are called as TMAO. This is trans-methylamine nitric oxide, and this is also going to affect our health in a very big way. So inflammation, high cholesterol, calorie dense food, no fiber, these are the very big issues with the meat consumption. It's no more a health food, but actually it is giving us the diseases in the gift.